You got it?
Yeah. Oh shit!
Have a good one. Happy holidays.
Okay, yeah.
Hey, what's up, brother? That scare you, man? Woo!
Fuck off.
I'm ready if you want.
Oh shit.
Go ahead. Yeah.
Oh shit. You guys alright?
You scared the shit out of me and I got a broken back. I need surgery again.
Yeah, go ahead.
What's up? What's up?
Do it again. Oh, shit. That shit's loud.
Don't do that again or I'll have you arrested.
What's that?
Don't do that again or I'll have you arrested.
Got me arrested.
Yeah, you're not allowed to honk your horn unless you're in traffic. And that's really rude. My restaurant's wide open. You're disrupting everybody.
Alright, man.
Yeah.